I'm sorry guys. So there was a call that interrupted this live. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, we're back again. That is lovely. Everybody is joining in. It's lovely. So I don't know where I was actually. That call interrupted my lovely live with you guys. So I missed a lot of questions also. Okay. Hello, Anand Sketch. Hello. Sunny Zaf. Hello. Praji Baiju. Hello. Bri, हमारी नागन कैसी हो तुम? How are you doing? Nadi, after such a long time, girl, miss you too, babe. जितेंद्र 5102, बड़ा हिंदी में अच्छा लिखा आपने. क्या हाल है भाभी जी? बहुत बढ़िया है दादाजी. Pranavi Chana, yes, that call was from me and I got a good bashing. Yes, she did. Because she is craving some Sev Puri right now. So she's asked me to pick it up. That's the reason all of this happened. She called to check where I was. Have I reached yet or no? And I have picked her up Pani Puri, Sev Puri or no as yet. Michi, summer plans in Antalya. Ethel, I really want to come. I really want to do another holiday. I really want to, but I don't think it is possible right now. But if it happens, I will try to make it happen by the end of the year. Yes, I will do that. Hello guys. Urzu Faiza, hello. Please Didi. Rehan Memin 525. Ashley, when? Hopefully by the end of the year. Let's see. Smiley Juice 30 is asking if I'm coming to Nagin 4. I have nothing to say to that actually. But whatever I'm going to be doing next, I'm going to talk about it very soon. Very soon. Pranavi Chana, have you picked or not? Lol, I'm starving. This is the big sister problem. Actually, younger sister also. There are times even I demand a lot of things from her too. So yes. Pretty Princess SS, which is your next show? I am going to talk about it very, very, very soon. Just give me some time. Okay? Can I get one pic, please? Krisha. How? Okay, so whatever show I'm going to be doing next, y'all can come over to my set and take a lot of pictures. A lot of them. Okay? Shanu 339, some words for Harshad Chopra. Okay, this is a very, very lovely question actually. You won't believe, guys, Harshad and I have known each other only at times we've bumped into each other at award functions. So every time he's winning an award, I'm winning an award. And every time I'm winning an award, he's winning an award. And you won't believe it was the sweetest and the kindest gesture ever by Etsy to call me and say, you know what, babe, it's my birthday. Just come over and let's have a lot of fun. So I happened to go and be at the party and mingle with people. He made me feel so, like a part of the gang. And it was lovely. I think he's an amazing guy, and then we have spoken on a lot of things where we think, our ideologies, not too much, but yes, we've not spoken so much, but whatever we have spoken, I think they match. And yes, I'm going to be soon seeing him over a cup of coffee and talk a lot of things about his career, about his career plans and things like that. He's an amazing guy actually. Vivera 0543, greetings from Albania. Thank you guys. Kalash CH, hey beautiful. Thank you, Kalash actually. Beautiful girl, I miss you. Nox Chandu 29, thank you. Shivika Narbi forever. Do you miss Nakul? Of course, yeah. I miss the entire cast. I miss everybody. I miss the entire set. I miss all of us eating lunch together. Hamari pyari Anika miss you. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to be answering a lot of questions, but before that, I feel like putting a filter actually. It's kind of very cool. Do you like this? This? I like the crown on my head. Oh, sorry. Yeah, like a tiara of diamonds. Hello, I'm from Iraq. My name is Sarah. I love. Thank you, the flower, Sarah. Alina 78730, you're a lovely person and you're looking pretty as always. That is very, very, very sweet. Isma 99, Chandu, can you see me? हाँ baby, देख सकती हूँ. New character comeback. Amisha, of course, very soon. Priyanka 57, say about Surbhi Jyoti. Surbhi Jyoti, by the way, Jyoti, I don't call her Jyoti or Surbhi Jyoti, I just call her Koshish Kasha. You know, she is the most fun girl, and you know, with Nagin, the way she's transformed herself and her body and the way she conducts herself, it is commendable, yeah. And I'm so happy to be, you know, I'm so happy that she's on a holiday because she's really, really worked hard, and I know the girl works really hard. So I'm glad I'm her very, very dear friend, close friend, yes. Miss you, live you, DSLM 17. Chandu.lovers, is it true that you and Nakul are upset with each other? What? Is this even a question, Chandu.lovers? मतलब life में और कुछ नहीं है that I will be upset with him. Never. Neelam Panchal and Nee, hi baby. When will you be in Switzerland? I don't know. Okay, I'm trying some filters again. And actually, this is exciting, yeah. Oh no. I like this actually. But I think let's go with the no filter look. When will you be in Switzerland? I don't know. I want to do another holiday, but that's going to be not anytime soon for sure. Shrishti, hello Surbhi, long time. Hi Shrishti. Shrishti styles me, you know, in like for a lot of occasions, and she's fab. Thank you, Shrishti. Anish, hi, hello. I'm going to come see you very soon. Look at you sing live, and I cannot wait. I love you from Saudi Arabia. Thank you, MOXS. Sarakshi, please say my name, please. I am a big fan of yours. Thank you. Jay Parekh, thank you guys. Hey Anika, big fan of you and my 5-year-old son too, Mahi, my Jan. Thank you. Give my love to your son. Shall you give some tips for diet? I think I'm like the wrong person to ask any dietary tips. But very honestly, I think of course it's a lot of your food habits. Also, it is a lot of your workout. These days I've started to like Pilates, and though since I've had like 2 busy weeks, I've not been able to go and just you know, do my Pilates class. So I miss my Pilates gang. My trainer, everybody, they keep me really motivated. So yes, so it's been 2 very, very hectic weeks, but yes, very soon for some getting ready for some great work. Do you love aloo puri? Please answer me. Yes, I like any kind of food यार. खाना खिला दो मुझे, बस खिला दो. दिशा परमार, हेलो जी, छाई हुई हैं आप आजकल। दिश as I like calling her, क्या छाई हुई है यार आप तो आजकल। लवली साड़ीज, amazing functions that you're attending. How are you, babe? And when are you meeting me? Is the question actually. Hello guys, Namal, Sheenu, Swastik. Okay. Hi, Amar, Kriti, Yusri, Manju, Faru, Akanksha. Okay. How do you balance between fitness and food? That's a tough one for me actually. But one thing that I could tell you all is that I prefer eating my dinner by 7:30. I try to wrap it up. Of course, it's not every day that it's possible, but on the days that it's possible, I try to do that. And I also like after every meal to sip on some hot water, green tea, not too much, but in moderation. So yes. Somebody's asked me this question, what is your favorite song? That's Roshni Virendra. So these days my favorite song is मुझे कैसे पता ना चला कि तुम करदा है. Oh, it's a lovely song. It's from I don't know. It's from some album. It's sung by Papon, and it's a lovely song. मुझे कैसे पता ना चला कि तू मैनू प्यार करदा है. तेरे अलावा जान गए सब मुझ में तू कितना मरदा. Whatever, bad sur right now. Okay, but it's that song these days that I'm not on loop, but yes, I like listening to that song. Okay, I'm actually close to my destination now. Thank you guys. Just the last sur was a little off, and I embarrassed my own self. But yes, so I'm going to wrap this chat very soon right now in 2 minutes. So quickly, the last 2 minutes, if you all have any questions, you all can ask me. Any questions. Whatever. Isma 99, I'd love to sing for you. Okay. जाना खोया खोया रहना है, दिल तड़प के कहता है तू है मेरे जीने की. Listen, you all are asking too many questions now. Enough. Too many demands. बहुत हो गया अभी. I actually mixed a little Punjabi in Jana, because that Papon song is it has a little bit Punjabi in it, so that was running in my head. Earth to Akash. Hi, I'm Akash Purohit. Remember I played Altaf in Ishbaz. I did movie Love Aajkal 2 under Imtiaz Aswaran. Oh, lovely. So nice to see you here, Akash. I know you worked really hard that night. And I'm so happy for you. And I cannot wait to watch Love Aajkal 2. Lots of best wishes to you. Angel878688, tell us about Shivangi. I have said this. She is like my little sister. If I am around her, I would really tell her to eat on time, take care of her health. I love the work she's doing and I'm so proud of her. She's got herself a lovely car and she's making her parents proud. उसकी मम्मा आंटी बहुत मेहनत करती हैं बेचारी, हमेशा उसके साथ ट्रैवल करती हैं सेट पे and she's around taking care of her. I think when you have such amazing and lovely encouraging parents, I think automatically you become an amazing person, and that's what Shivangi is. Hey, when are you back in UK? I don't know, yeah. But London is on my mind. There is no place that's not on my mind, actually, very honestly. You take me on a holiday and I'm like the happiest. Any plans of going on a trip with Jyoti and Shivi? Jyoti never asked me. Koshish Akasha has taken off and she's in Swiss and she actually deserves it. Even if she's doing a solo trip. But Shivi is too busy with the show. And नायरा के बगैर ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है, हो ही नहीं सकता. So yeah. Nirukunja, hello. Ashley, this makeup. Thank you. Please Gujarati बोलिए. अरे यार, you know, people think that I'm a Gujarati. I don't know what face structure of mine says or makes it. You know, I don't know how people just judge me as a Gujarati. I'm not a Gujarati, guys. I am a Punjabi, by the way. Chalo, bye. Keep smiling. Always love your smile. Thank you, Puneet. Thank you. Thank you. It's lovely to get all your messages. Okay, so and lots of hellos and lots of highs and lots of catching up with you guys. And it has been lovely. Thank you for being a part of this impromptu chat session, live session with me. I hope I can surprise you soon too, like how I did today. And be ready with your questions, and that's it. I just am always very grateful for your suggestions, for all the love, for all the things you guys try to guide me through, even if it is in terms of my fitness, even if it is in terms of if I'm eating something wrong, everything. And I'm glad you guys are a part of my journey, and I just love you all. And please keep loving me, keep loving me, and keep a lot of positivity around you. Eat well, eat right, be healthy, and I will see you all very soon. And wait for my new show. बस, that's it. और बहुत सारी मेहनत करो. Do a lot of good work, a lot of hard work. Keep your parents happy, and that's it. Bye, guys. Okay, so I'm close to where I live, so I will just show you all around. Not very close actually, but yes. So I am approaching this area called Powai. Okay, so there's a lake which I'm going to soon enter that area of the lake. But yes, that's it. That's so funny. I'm showing you all these things. But yes, lots of love. Bye.